YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Back at it. I sold my Scion FRS wheels. Gone. They're gone. I sold them. So you guys just saw that I did a big parts video. Thank you so much. One of them has been chosen, but I still got one more. So I'm choosing you guys all on Friday. So keep on swinging by MITCHDORE.com to purchase something. I really appreciate all the orders. Got a big, huge order spree due to that, so I really appreciate it. Got one left. I already chose a winner that did a huge order, so I chose them. I really appreciate you. But that being said, I sold my FRS wheels. I sold them yesterday. They were with, so they're Scion FRS, I think just base package with, I can't remember, maybe 17 spoke or something like that. They were 17 inches. And then I painted them gloss black. Beautiful, did a really good job with it. And then I matched it with some Toyo HP Extensas 2. And then I sold them. So the reason why I sold them is I asked you guys what kind of wheel should I go with? And a majority of people, they like the FRS wheels, but they weren't their favorites. They're kind of, you guys are like kind of purists, and I like that. So we're going back to the Celica GTS OEM wheels. My Tsunami Edition came with a set of OEM wheels, but I don't have any tires. So they came with snow tires, and I had them thrown away. I dismounted and thrown away the tires. And so I ordered some. I ordered some Federals that should be here probably within a week. I will get them mounted, and then I will paint my wheels. I think I'm gonna do a gloss black again, enamel gloss black. If you guys think I should do something else, let me know. I definitely will. But look at this in the background. So here's my Lotus EXIGE, ELISE EXIGE. Looks amazing. It's actually completely on the floor. Reason why it's on the floor, I had to use the jack stands for this car for my Celica. So I'm actually gonna go out to the car real quick and show you guys. It's already dark. It's crazy how dark it gets in the winter time. I'm glad I got this car on the ground. Now that front end is not finished. It's just sitting on there. It's not mounted really. I gotta get a couple things. One, I gotta paint the radiator black to match all the beautiful black things underneath inside there, so it's kind of not so prominent. Two, I also gotta cut this with a Dremel. And then three, there's like this plastic shroud thing that I gotta order that's behind the access panels so that you guys can't see all that. And then I'm gonna run it without a grill or without a mesh for a while. I think it looks pretty good. And then eventually I'll probably put a mesh in there later. But now that the turbo Lotus ELISE, whatever this thing is on the ground, I'm really excited because I soon gonna get this out of this garage and put it in a different garage I have and kind of store it there probably for the winter. And then I'll bring my GTS in here and start doing the vids for like lift bolts and air intake and things like that, like I did last winter, and do kind of build the car in this garage space, especially since I just painted it all black or all gray. It looks really, really good. But let's go out to the dark outside where the Celica. So as you guys can see, I do not have any wheels. They're not here. So these are the wheels that I'm gonna be using, the OEM GTS wheels. I have them out here, but they need a lot of love. Okay, so as you can see from the thumbnail, no more FRS wheels. I sold them. I'm kind of sad, but also kind of like okay with it. Look how tiny these are. So these are what everyone wanted me to run. These are the OEM GTS 5-star. I think they're 7.5 inches. So 7.5 inches in width. And then I do have a little bit of that 5mm spacer on there. Will I continue to leave that on there? I might go even a little bit bigger. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. But I did buy Federals. And let me go find out which Federals. I'll tell you guys. So I bought Federals and I bought 205 45s. So a little bit smaller. I think the OEM ones come with 55s. 45. 16 inches because they're 16-inch wheels, so 16s. 87W is what I bought. So these are Federal Formosa FD2s. They say that they're an all-season high performance, but I've had Federals in the past and they're actually pretty okay, to be honest. Yeah, the Toyos that I just bought were really nice tires, and I drove them for like 40 miles. The guy bought them and he was gonna put them on a 2000-ish early 2000 WRX wagon, and he was gonna run them as a daily, which I guess is 5x100, which I would have not thought that, but that's kind of cool. He really liked them and thought they were really good the black was really good. He's like, dude, these look amazing. I was like, thanks. So I did a pretty good job with that. So I'm excited to do the same with the OEM ones. I will put the new tires on, the Federals. They should be here like in a week, like I said. I will put those tires on, mount them, and then I'll do a tutorial of how, and I'll probably do a video for that. I'll do a tutorial how to paint those wheels gloss black. So I think I'm gonna do the gloss black again, but with the 5-star OEM. And before I do that though, I think this weekend I will do the powder coating, or not powder coating, I wish I could powder coat. I'll do the painting the brake rotors a really nice candy red. So I'll do a really bright red for the brake rotors, and then do black wheels and keep it very good looking. I might even do a gunmetal. So guys, comment down below, should I do a gunmetal, like almost the same color as the Tsunami Celica, or should I just do the gloss black? Comment down below what you guys think I should do. I know that I'm going with red. I asked you guys if I should do the yellow or if I should do the red, and most people said do the red. It'll look better. It'll look better with the tsunami color. So we'll do red brake calipers, and then we'll do I think I'm gonna do black wheels, or like a gunmetal color, gunmetal wheel color for the OEM ones. But I think that'll look good with the new Federals. But like the video says, I did end up selling the FRS. If you guys think that's good that I did that, and I'm going back to the kind of the purist look, hit the thumbs up button for that. If you don't like that, just comment down below, I don't like that, and you should get another set of the FRS. If I were to get another set of the FRS, it'd be like the later versions. They did make a later version that was pretty good looking. I was thinking about buying a set of those, but for now we're just gonna go back to the OEM GTS, the real GTS wheel. As for some more updates, I did end up selling, or I sold the wheels. I did end up dropping off that little chrome thing for paint. Paint should probably be done by the end of the week, which is really exciting. So I'll have a ton of good Celica content coming really soon. I don't think I'll do them over this weekend. What this weekend I might do is probably gonna focus on the front of the Lotus so that I can get the Lotus out of the garage. That'll probably be my main focus. What will one of the videos be for the Lotus? I will be, like I said earlier, I'm gonna trim that off with a Dremel and then paint that gloss black. And that'll probably be a video, and then there'll be one video of me also just installing the whole clam so that you guys know how to do this. And then I also need to order some of these little things from Griggs Racing Parts that hold the axis panel down. They're really expensive, but I gotta order some of those. I don't have those. And then I should probably order some kind of weather stripping around that headlight, the headlights. In addition to, I need to buff off this little scratch on this one. The other one's literally perfect because this headlight cost $1,000. Crazy, huh? That was $1,000. No joke. That was $1,000. That's like crazy. So $1,000 for that headlight. So that one's good. And then I want to do a star shield over the whole car, so I'll do that as well to protect the paint. Yeah, but this car's probably just gonna sit in here for a long, or not in here, but in my other garage for a long time. It is such just a beauty piece of artwork. So kind of a short, sweet video, just pretty much an update. I sold the FRS wheels. We are gonna go back to the GTS wheels. I will paint the brake rotors, and then I will do the wheels as well. So gunmetal or black, comment that down below what you guys think I should do. Make sure to hit the like button for this. I also cannot wait to install the TRD high style spoiler, and then of course I've been saying this over and over, get the car tinted. I might actually get the car tinted this weekend too. So I might have a couple projects. Maybe I'll do that on the Saturday, and then while that's getting done, have my work on my Lotus. So I might be double getting things done, but I know that well, actually I take that back. I can't drive the Celica because I don't have any tires on it. That's so funny. I forgot, I can't drive the Celica anywhere. So until those tires get in, the Celica's not going anywhere. It's living on jack stands. Pretty funny. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next video with more good content.